In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable picture-in-picture on X.com, formerly known as Twitter, in just a couple of simple steps. This is a super useful feature if you want to keep watching a video while browsing your feed, checking messages, or doing other things on your browser at the same time. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Once you're on the site, find any video post and start playing the video. You need the video to be actively playing before the picture-in-picture option will show up. After the video starts, move your mouse over the video player. When the control bar appears at the bottom of the video, look for the picture-in-picture icon. It may look like a small rectangle inside a larger screen, or a pop-out style button depending on your browser. Click that picture-in-picture icon and the video will immediately pop out into a floating window. Now you can move that window anywhere on your screen and continue watching while you switch tabs or open other apps. If you want to resize it or close it, you can do that from the floating player controls or from your browser's video options. And that's it. You've now enabled picture-in-picture on X.com or Twitter. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look, and it's a great way to multitask without missing the video. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.